Hello everyone and Merry Christmas. I am here having a McDonald's sausage and egg McMuffin. Gonna do a review on it for my workout on Christmas Day here in Canada. Really excited. Christmas has gone well. Got to open some gifts, gave a lot of gifts, and Christmas is always a good time, but got here the sausage and egg McMuffin. So I haven't done a review on this, oddly enough. I don't get them very often, but I do like the breakfast sandwiches from McDonald's or Tim Hortons. So sausage and egg McMuffin, let's get right into it. Pretty good. One thing I like about McDonald's is they actually make they actually use real eggs in their sausage and egg McMuffin. Like, I used to work here. You had this little thing with a bunch of circles on. You'd crack eggs into it and you'd cook them on the grill, and then they're ready for this. It's pretty cool. And I like that we're not getting kind of like a pre-made egg thing. With some of the other options that have egg in it are cooked eggs or whatever, but this is fresh egg. It's delicious. So with the McMuffin, they have obviously the English muffin here. It's buttered. So they have this little butter sauce thing that they put on. It's probably not real butter. They have the sausage. They cook a whole egg on it and put a little piece of cheese. Call it a sandwich. It's really good. It's not too expensive either for sausage and egg. Even just a plain old sausage, a little cheaper. But I like getting it with the egg on it because it's a little bit more of a meal, it feels like. It was really delicious. So last bite. The egg's too good. Yeah, I really like it for the egg. The sausage obviously is the best tasting part of this, but not healthy. The egg makes it feel a bit more like a like food. I don't know how to put that, but I really like the sausage and egg McMuffin because it's easy breakfast sandwich. It's filling. Like, I eat one of these, I'm good. I also get like hash browns and coffee or whatever with it, but I got a Diet Coke. Love their Diet Coke. I just recently did a video on that as well. But sausage and egg McMuffins, it's a solid breakfast sandwich. I give that an 8.5. 8 to an 8.5. It's just very simple. Got like 5 ingredients on it. The English muffin, the butter, the cheese, sausage, and the egg. And it just pairs well together. So I really like it. The eggs are freshly cooked. It's my favorite part. And yeah, it's pretty decent for a breakfast sandwich. Thank you for watching. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, all that good stuff. If you like this video and you want to see more, hit that subscribe button below. Hit the like button. Hit all those buttons down there. And I'll see you in the next video.